cold incoming mains. Trying to get the pipes. Cylinder's going to go there, so trying to get them pipes behind. Ready for it, but I've got my marks, some marks on. Electricians are going to put some nice 2-inch trunking in way. So I had to put some 45s on 22, but I can get away with 90s on 28. So that one's just a bit, measured it all up, but it's just a bit sharp. I think I want to have 6 inches between cylinder and wall. So it's going to 5-inch marks. I want 5/8, so I want to use this as the flow pipe. Should be that top pipe there. Put some 5/8 packers, something, pack them clips up 5/8, and that will stand that pipe further off and make it good for a pump. And then you get the pump things on. When I get that on, it'll come right. And then the heat pump at the moment is just temporarily piped in. Nice little oil gauge on it. Just temporarily piped up real nice and neat for getting this floor dried out. And there to go up there somewhere. There's quite a few pipes to put in this cupboard. That's what we're putting in. Got cylinder in. Got the cold pipe into the vessel. Filled it up. Got balanced cold pipe. Put through sealing turned off there. Hot valves turned off, and then there's a secondary turned off. That's what's altering a bit more. Got the temperature pressure relief valve in. And then just got to start getting the return pipe down to where the magna clean is. Some clips on wall. And then a pump for the flow. There's going to be some T-pieces like that, motorised valves. And I just messed up getting that quarter turn ball valve all in the line. Might not be enough, it'd be tight to get a motorised valve, and I should have had it a bit higher up, but I was trying to keep it low down. It's quite high as it is if you want to turn it off in emergency, but I suppose if you ever wanted to turn anything off with a cylinder, you just turn that one off low down. And then Steve's put some tappings in. Got alt tappings in that, and prefab flexioses for outside. Oh, and then bent, so yeah, I had to bend that cold feed this morning to go around there with 245s on. Same with them ones, and I packed that one off. Steve's idea was to put a cut clip down, which has worked. So therefore the flow pipe will be further off, so that when you put a pump on, put that pump on there, there's a gap, because if you don't, you just use them normal clips at 3/4, you just no good. That's why I've got them off wall, so when you put the motorised valves on, they'll stand off a bit more and you can get your grips on even better. And then I've tried to allow 5 inches, not 2, 5 inches in between the two pipes. And then that'll should allow a bend from that T-piece up to there. We'll see that next time. Got them neatened up. Downstairs under floor heating. 2 zone valves on there. And then just to solder them crimp fittings on. Taken them off, and there's a rubber o-ring inside, taken that off as well, then solder them and put them back together carefully. Quite good because they have little circles, so you can see if the pipe's fully inserted before you crimp it up. So that's all live. Just want a temporary wire put into that pump, and then that'll pump them underfloors. So there's the return coming out of the cylinder for the heat pump. There's the flow from the heat pump, and that comes from the ACV. Put that in. Got these flows coming out for the radiator, got the pump on there. Got them on there, open the box and That one's changing for a metal one and it all blends in. Magnet clean up return from radiators going in. All filled up. 2 bar, bit much. Just come back to do a bit more and got the pressure relief valve side done. Put that in and just finish them up above that. I didn't have crimp fittings to finish it off above. I made the single check valve on the hot secondary return. I've been wiring them up. I'll just go on that. Got some timers for. Bit of tidying up to do.